Today we got two coloring books. We have the Samoan Alphabet by Joyce Atafua, and then another one is Samoan Alphabet Coloring Book featuring nouns, and we're going to do it with Joseph, Marlo Joseph. So I'm going to pick out a word, and then I'm going to ask Joseph, what does the word mean? Pick out a word. Oleale upulea.
Lalo.
Lalo. Oleale wingo o lalo.
Along a winger or down.
Marlo, the time to fight. Okay, let's do something from the other book. Samoan Alphabet. Now we have this word right here. Oleale upulea.
Ipu.
Ipu. Good pronunciation. Oleale wingo o ipu.
Along a winger or cup.
All right. Olongo wingo o cup. So we talked about what is this word? Oleale upulea. And then the two new phrases have to do with the word winga. Uinga. Oleale wingo o. What is the meaning of? And then the reply is olonga winga o. And then you would say what the word is. It's a quick exercise that you can practice every single day with your kids. Repetition. Repetition is the key. Sign up now for free Mato Samoan language classes for kids and beginners at talofortalk.com. I made a kids curriculum, 30-minute classes. We'll go over daily exercises that you and your kids can use to learn Samoan and incorporate into your everyday lives. This is my last post here on Instagram and Facebook. Thank you all for the wonderful 5 years. My pages will be deleted in 3 days. Find me at pacificapages.net, which I'll be rebranding to talofortalk.com for all your Samoan resources. Free worksheets, free videos, free classes by me, only at talofortalk.com. Fa fitai tele lava, alafatu.